Now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Beautiful evening here across the Pikes Peak region. Yes, it's a little breezy, but man, I'm telling you, temperature-wise, it's perfect. 76 degrees. South wind at the airport, 22 is the measurement. You know, bear sightings in the springs, real common, happens almost every day. But in Pueblo, when you see something like that walking down the alley, it's breaking news. This guy was spotted on the south side this morning. Pueblo PD took that shot. 81 right now. Yesterday, if you saw the bear, you could say, well, the heat is just unbearable, but today it's pretty tolerable. 81 the current temperature, southeast breeze at 17 miles per hour. Here's what I'm watching for you. Big energy cranking up on the other side of the Continental Divide. And here's what's going to happen as this energy inches a little closer to Colorado tomorrow. That's going to crank up thunderstorm intensity all across the eastern half of our state. Another cold front comes in early tomorrow morning. It'll roll through before sunrise. Temps tomorrow will be another 5 to 10 degrees cooler than what we had today. Moist upslope flow at the surface once again as that energy comes in. That'll set the stage for a round of severe thunderstorms. Thankfully, not everyone gets a severe thunderstorm, but a few will have to deal with those severe thunderstorms during the afternoon into the evening hours. By lunchtime, still dry all across the viewing area. By 2 p.m., here we go. Thunderstorms conceived over the mountains, making their push east toward the I-25 corridor. And again, some of those thunderstorms could be rather intense around here. As they continue to march off to the east, they're going to run into a real wet, unstable environment. So, yeah, look at that big line of strong and severe thunderstorms by 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon across eastern Colorado. Some of those thunderstorms could produce a weak tornado. Certainly a lot of large hail with that line of thunderstorms. 1-inch hail certainly possible. Winds up to 60 miles per hour. Real heavy rain with that batch of thunderstorms. Flash flooding possible. And again, not out of the question to see a weak isolated spin-up tornado in some areas. Where you see the yellow shaded area, that's where the strongest likelihood is of seeing a severe thunderstorm. But I have a feeling by tomorrow morning, going to see that inch a little further off to the west toward the I-25 corridor. So as we like to say, stay tuned for updates. Right now it is calm and quiet here. Not calm, but definitely quiet thunderstorm wise across the I-25 corridor, El Paso County, Pueblo County, all the big stuff in Baca County right now. These thunderstorms are really cranked up right now. A lot of water out there, real good energy. Pritchett took a direct hit. You can see those storms slowly marching off to the north and east at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. At least penny size hail, maybe nickel size hail with some of the stronger storms, mainly over open country, but batten down the hatches in Springfield. That stuff is headed your way, lifting off to the north and east. Temperatures today unseasonably cool thanks to that front. Pueblo only 84. There's a reality check. Should be at 92 this time of the year. In the Springs, another warm start. 62 the low this morning. Afternoon high unseasonably cool at 79 degrees. Lows tonight dropping back into the 50s and 60s, lower elevations, 40s across some of the higher elevations tonight. Around here tomorrow, this is how we wrap up June. It's going to be even cooler than what we had today. That easterly upslope flow is going to bring in a high octane air mass. A little breezy out of the east, and if you get near a thunderstorm tomorrow, that wind will get real strong and real gusty. Here's your Super 7-day forecast in Colorado Springs. Tomorrow, humid, cooler day with strong and maybe even a severe thunderstorm possible in some areas. Look out for the possibility of some heavy rainfall as well. We turn it around with drier, warmer weather on Saturday, even warmer on Sunday. Just enough water in the atmosphere. Could see a stray thunderstorm pop up, but nothing that'll mess up your activities. Dry again Monday for your fabulous 4th. That'll be the hottest day of the next 7 days. Passing PM thunderstorm possible. Not going to be anything to mess up any of the fireworks shows. It'll be done by fireworks time. Pueblo cool, refreshing upslope flow tomorrow with a strong or possibly severe thunderstorm in the afternoon. A strong warming trend on the way for the holiday weekend. 4th of July is firecracker hot, making that wet parade in Pueblo West look very appealing. Another cold front comes in late Tuesday night into Wednesday. Thunderstorms and cooler air Wednesday and Thursday. Canyon City for grilling or just chilling this weekend. The weather's going to cooperate nicely on Tuesday, the 4th of July. 92 for your BBQ, and then cooler, wetter weather Wednesday into Thursday. Woodland Park, cool and wet tomorrow. Afternoon thunderstorm, a strong possibility. Over the weekend, you won't have to cancel any plans, but you will have to sidestep one of those 10-minute passing thunderstorms. That'll happen Saturday and Sunday. Dry skies Monday, and then fireworks for the 4th. Diane?